So, I don't clear up rumors. Where's your sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they gotta blow like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make fans feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming soon. I'm just a late boomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these walking around like they ain't losers.
Here we go. Sit back, relax, get a grip, hold on tight, enjoy your ride. Let's bring you down safe and sound. Now please, when the ride comes to a complete stop, push your safety bar all the way up, watch your step, and walk down the stairs at the far left-hand side of the ride.